Welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can enable your keyboard sound whenever you type in something. So there's basically enabling the typing sound whenever you type something from your keyboard into your mobile device. So for example, if I type anything right now, you won't be hearing anything because the audio is right now disabled. So in order to enable this, what you need to do is simply click on this icon at the left of your keyboard, and once you'll click here, you can see this option of settings. So simply click on the settings gear icon, and once you'll go here, you need to click on the preferences. So under preferences, you can see this option that under the key press it states sound on key press. So simply enable this toggle, and from here you can also choose to adjust the volume as well. And if you want to, I will just choose the default option. And now if I try to go back and I will type something, so then the key must produce some audio. So here you can see that the audio is playing, and on key press you can hear the tapping sound. So that's it for this video. I will see you in the next one. If you like this video, make sure to hit the like button as well. Comment on this video, share it, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.